install VirtualBox on Mac is quite easy and simple. You need to go and open up your browser. You can open up Safari or Chrome as you like. And in the search bar, type in for VirtualBox and hit enter. So here you can see the official site of VirtualBox, that is virtualbox.org. And in some of the cases you might find this website a bit slow, so you need to wait for it once you click on this to open up the website. So wait a bit. Site is open. You can simply go and click on this download VirtualBox 6.1 and it would redirect you to the download page of VirtualBox. And it is the same case that you can see the website is too slow, so wait for it to open up the next page. This download page is open. You can go and tap on this OS X host, that is for Mac, and the download will start shortly. And here you can see the download has started and it would be completed in few more moments. And thanks God the download is fast and has no issue. So just go and wait for it to complete. Here we go. And you can always go to the download section to open it up, or you can directly open it from here. So double tap on this to open this up. Here we go. It is verifying and finishing. Here we are. Now go and double click on this icon. This would open up the installation. It says the package will run a program to determine if the software can be installed. Allow. And here click on continue, install, enter your password for your Mac device and wait for the process to complete. Now it's a system extension blocked. A program tried to load a new system extension signed by Oracle America that needed to be updated by the developer. Okay, so it says installation is successful, but we need to make one thing sure, that go to system preferences, and here you need to go to security and privacy. And if you open this up and enter the password, here we are. Now you need to make sure that in the firewall section or privacy section there is no warning for this VirtualBox. So if there is any warning, just go and simply allow it in the general section. If there is some warning for this VirtualBox Oracle, just simply go and allow it. And one more thing, you need to make sure that you have this Apple Store and identified developers checked. So you need to make sure that this is checked. So once you have made that sure, close it. You can keep it or you can remove it. And now you can go to your applications and scroll down a bit, open up the VirtualBox, and if you open this up, here we are. Now you can import and do things as you want. So hopefully it has helped you in installing VirtualBox on Mac. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.